Hi, so this activity is going to be for the group of students that are working independently. Um, and they're students who are using paper and drawing materials independently. So I'm going to show one activity that we're going to be doing this week, which is drawing from looking at a model of how to draw something. And we're going to try to see. So here I'm going to share a screen, and it is this. All right, so here we've got, let's draw a beach. And this is what this is the idea of the end result of what a beach could look like. And for you, if you want to try to follow the model, maybe you're going to follow this model, or maybe you're going to do something a little bit different. Sometimes it's fun to have a model to follow, and sometimes we can picture it in our head what a beach looks like. So for some of us, we'll picture it in our head, and for some of us, we will look at this and use it as inspiration. Look, this is another way to draw a beach. There is, did you notice first in this one, there's an umbrella and a beach ball and a towel. There's also a pail and shovel and a boat. And look here, there's this line that goes across where the sky touches the ocean. And then here there's a line, it's a wiggly line, that goes across where the ocean touches the sand. So we're gonna probably, let's look at this. Let's see if that other pictures have the same thing. Oh yeah, okay, so I see it here. Sky, water, land. And then there's different beach things. You might see a crab at the beach, you might see a sandcastle. And this one, oh, you see there's people playing, right? Two people playing at the beach. And we see here, there's a sky, water, and then a little bit of beach. Here we have it. Sky at the top, water in the middle, sand at the bottom. So that's kind of the structure for this kind of a picture of a beach. You can try it. So they're showing here, you can try this at home. If you want to fold your paper in quarters so that you have a folded place here and a folded place here, then you can see how to line it up on your paper. Some of us don't want to do that. That's okay. You just sort of imagine this is the center, right? You can picture where's the center of your paper. So you have wavy lines first. We're going to make the wavy lines of the water. Second, in this picture, you could make a boat. So after your wavy lines, you're going to make a diagonal line, a horizontal line, straight down line, and then this pointy shape that holds the sail. And you can pause this video anytime if you need more time. So after this part that holds up the sail, we have to put the sail on. And what shape does this remind you of? If you said triangle, that's what it reminds me of too. So there's 1, 2, 3 triangles. Now we have the line for the sand. And next we have an umbrella. What's this shape? Okay, how can we make that? One step at a time. Sort of like a half a circle. And then wavy lines again, like you did for the water. Then 2 lines coming down into the sand. And then we have, a little place to show that it went into the sand. Okay, so here we have some lines on the umbrella, and looks like the beginning of a beach ball. And once we put the lines for the beach ball, maybe we will add a pail and a shovel. So look what they did for the pail. They did an oval, a handle, and then a pail at the bottom. Here we have a shovel, right? And then finally, we have here, what did we add? Looks like we added a cloud, which has a wavy line at the top, a flat line at the bottom, and then a circle for the sun, and some lines outside of it, and some more waves in the water. So then you can look at this one for some color inspiration. Look at this. This is a little different than the one that was just drawn with demonstration, but you could do it this way too. An umbrella shape, a chair. Look, the sun is maybe going down or coming up. Here's some more examples of a pail and shovel and of a sandcastle. There's many examples of creatures that might be on the beach. And so you can pause this if you're using this and look at any of these you want if it helps you get ideas to draw your picture. Oh, finally, there's even a mermaid, it looks like. So that would be another picture altogether, right? All right. So I can't wait to see your pictures. And I hope you enjoy trying out drawing the beach step by step.